Alright, today let me teach you the difference between decimal place and significant figure. Many people don't understand, in fact, they don't know the difference between decimal place and significant figure, especially the significant figure. Now, in mathematics, the examiner will tell you to drop your final answer in social decimal place or in social significant figure. There are some persons that are very brilliant, but the final answer, because they don't know the difference between these two, they confuse themselves. Now, let me teach you the difference. In decimal place, our focus is the decimal point. After the decimal point, you begin to count your decimal places. But in significant figure, your focus is not the point. Your focus is non-zero digit. That means a number that is not zero. So, we want to take this to two decimal places. It's 0 points. You write your first zero. This becomes your first decimal place. You're supposed to stop here, but please, before you stop, look at the next number. Is it up to 5? From 5 and above, you approximate 1 to the previous number. Because this is 9, you approximate 1 to this one to become what? 1. So this is 2 decimal place. This is the final answer. Simple. So this number to 2 decimal place is what? 0.01. Now let us take the same number to 2 significant figure. In 2 significant figure, your focus is non-zero digits. Before you start to count your significant figure, make sure that first number you meet is not 0. You can write the numbers down, but you must meet a number that is not 0 before you count a significant figure. So let's go. You write 0. Because it's 0, you don't count it as a significant figure. You put your point. This next number is 0. You don't count it as a significant figure, but you write it down. The next one is what? 0. You don't count it as a significant figure, but you write it down. The next one is what? 9. This becomes your first significant figure. Now look at your second significant figure, which is 1. But before you put this one, look at the next number. Is it up to 5? If it's up to 5, you approximate. But if it's not up to 5, you leave it. You write the 1, so you write 1. Because this is not up to 5, I can't approximate. If it is up to 5, I can approximate to make it 2. But because it's not up to 5, I write the 1 down. So this becomes your 2 significant figure. That is the difference. The difference is that in significant figure, your focus is that you must meet a number that is not zero, non-zero digit before you begin to count. But in decimal place, your focus is the decimal point. After the decimal point, anything you meet there, you count it as what? Decimal place. That is the difference. Please visit my YouTube channel. I will be dropping more of our mathematical, in fact, foundation mathematics. I want to teach you the foundation mathematics first before we begin to solve fractions, linear equations, quadratic equations. I want you to know the difference between multiplying negative numbers and all that. So just explore my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more of foundational mathematics. Bye.